Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about the secrets it holds, specifically our home, the Milky Way galaxy? Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a cosmic wonder that extends beyond our comprehension. It's a swirling vortex of stars, gas, and dark matter spun together in a grand celestial dance. Its sheer size, estimated to be around 100,000 light-years in diameter, leaves us in awe. Yet this massive cosmic entity is our home, the place where our tiny blue planet resides. The Milky Way galaxy is not just a starry spectacle to marvel at. It's a place of infinite mysteries waiting to be uncovered, from the supermassive black hole at its core to the star-forming regions that birth new suns. It's a place where the fabric of space and time weaves enigmatic tales that have intrigued scientists for centuries. To uncover these secrets, we will delve into the top 10 surprising facts about the Milky Way galaxy. Starting our countdown, Fact 10. The Milky Way galaxy is not flat as we often perceive it to be. It's easy to imagine our galaxy as a flat disk, much like a vinyl record, with the sun and all its planets grooving around in one of the outer tracks. But that's not quite right. Our home galaxy is actually a barred spiral galaxy. Imagine a central bar of stars, with arms spiraling outwards in a pinwheel pattern. This spiral structure is not flat, but warped, like a vinyl record left out in the sun. Now let's focus on the bulging center, the galactic bulge. This central hub is densely packed with stars, including some of the oldest known in existence. It's shaped like a bar and is the heart of our Milky Way. But the structure of our galaxy doesn't stop there. Extending beyond the visible stars and gas, there's a vast halo of dark matter. This halo is not part of the main disk, but surrounds it, holding the galaxy together with its gravitational pull. So the Milky Way is a fascinating mix of structures. It's a barred spiral with a bulging center, a warped disk of stars and dust, and a surrounding halo of elusive dark matter. And nestled within one of its spiral arms, you'll find our solar system, our home. So we inhabit a barred spiral galaxy, not a flat disk in space. Moving on to Fact 9. Our solar system resides in a rather quiet neighborhood of the galaxy. Picture our Milky Way as a bustling city. And our solar system? Well, we're far from the downtown chaos, we're out in the suburbs. Our solar system is nestled within the Orion Arm, one of the minor spiral arms of the Milky Way. It's about 26,000 light-years away from the bustling galactic center, where a supermassive black hole and dense star clusters reside. It's like we're living in a peaceful cul-de-sac, far from the urban frenzy, and just like every city has its own rhythm, the Milky Way has its galactic year. It takes our solar system about 225 million Earth years to orbit once around the galaxy. That's a lot of time to mow the space lawn. So remember, next time you look up at the night sky, you're peering out from the cosmic suburbs. We certainly live in the suburbs of the Milky Way. Fact 8 is a gripping one. At the center of our galaxy lurks a supermassive black hole. Now, when we say supermassive, we're not kidding. This black hole, known as Sagittarius A*, has a mass 4 million times that of our Sun. It's an astronomical heavyweight reigning over the Milky Way from its central throne. This cosmic colossus doesn't just sit idly by, it plays a pivotal role in the dynamics of our galaxy. You see, black holes, especially ones of this magnitude, have a profound influence on their surroundings. Their immense gravitational pull can whip nearby stars into high-speed orbits and even shape the overall structure of the galaxy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Should we be worried? After all, black holes are famous for their insatiable appetites, swallowing up anything that ventures too close. But fear not. Despite its might, Sagittarius A* is a safe 26,000 light-years away. That's a comfortable cosmic distance, ensuring we're well out of reach of its gravitational grasp. Moreover, supermassive black holes like Sagittarius A* are actually quite common. Most galaxies, including our galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, harbor one at their core. Despite their ominous reputation, they play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. So, take heart. Despite its ominous presence, we're safe from the clutches of this cosmic beast. Fact 7 brings us to the birthplaces of stars. The Milky Way is a fertile ground for star creation, with new stars constantly being formed in its various regions. These stellar nurseries are often located within nebulae, vast clouds of dust and gas that serve as the cradle for new stars. Within these nebulae, gravity pulls together particles of gas and dust, creating dense pockets. As these pockets grow denser and hotter, a protostar is born, kicking off the process of nuclear fusion. This fusion of hydrogen atoms creates a massive amount of energy, causing the protostar to glow brightly and officially become a star. It's an ongoing cycle, a cosmic dance of creation that has been taking place for billions of years. Even as we speak, thousands of stars are being born and dying within the Milky Way. It's a reminder of the galaxy's dynamic nature. Our galaxy is a bustling nursery of new stars. Fact 6 is all about time. The Milky Way is incredibly old. Let's place things in perspective. If we were to condense the history of the universe into one calendar year, our Milky Way would have been formed somewhere in February. This makes our home galaxy approximately 13.6 billion years old, give or take a few 100 million years. That's older than the Earth itself. This ancient age is estimated by astronomers through careful observation and calculation of the oldest known star clusters within our galaxy. These clusters, or globular clusters as they are known, contain some of the oldest known stars in the universe. The concept of cosmic time is fascinating, isn't it? Just as our human lives have a life cycle, so too do galaxies. And our Milky Way, with its spiraling arms and glowing core, has been evolving and changing for billions of years. Our home galaxy has seen billions of years of cosmic history. At Fact 5, we're talking size. The Milky Way is enormous. Imagine a vast cosmic city so wide that it would take a beam of light about 100,000 years to travel from one side to the other. That's right, our home galaxy spans an estimated 100,000 light-years in diameter. Yet, the grandeur doesn't stop at its physical dimensions. The Milky Way is also a bustling hub of stellar activity, brimming with an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars. That's billion with a B. Each of these stars, including our Sun, orbits the galaxy center, contributing to the Milky Way's spiraling pinwheel-like structure. It's almost unimaginable, isn't it? Such an immense expanse of space, teeming with an inconceivable number of stars, and we're right here in the midst of it all. We are but a tiny speck in this vast stellar city. Fact 4. The Milky Way is speeding through the universe. Now, it's not just the planets and stars within the galaxy that are in motion. The galaxy itself is also on the move. Our Milky Way is zipping through the universe at an astounding speed of roughly 552 kilometers per second. That's about 2 million kilometers per hour. Think about it this way. If you were to hop on a plane traveling at this speed, you could circle the Earth in just under 4 seconds. But don't let this high-speed journey make you dizzy. Despite our rapid movement, the distances in space are so vast that the changes in our perspective of the universe are almost imperceptible. So, while we may feel stationary, we're actually aboard a massive spaceship. The Milky Way is our vessel, and it's journeying through the cosmos at incredible speeds. We're all space travelers journeying through the cosmos. Fact 3 delves into the unseen. Our galaxy is filled with dark matter. Now, you might be wondering what this dark matter is. It's a kind of matter that we cannot see or touch, yet it makes up about 85% of the universe's total matter. Dark matter is like the invisible glue that holds our galaxy together. Without it, the Milky Way would simply fly apart, its stars scattered like cosmic confetti, and yet, despite its importance, dark matter remains one of the greatest mysteries in modern astrophysics. Scientists around the world are relentlessly trying to unravel this cosmic enigma. They're conducting experiments deep underground, using the most advanced telescopes, and even employing powerful supercomputers to simulate the universe. These efforts aim to answer the big questions. What is dark matter made of? How does it interact with the universe? The answers to these questions may fundamentally change our understanding of the cosmos. Invisible yet vital dark matter shapes our home galaxy. Fact 2 looks to the future. Our galaxy is on a collision course with Andromeda. Now, before you start picturing cataclysmic space battles, let's clarify something. When we say collision, we're not talking about the sort of crash you might be imagining. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, space is just that, space. It's mostly empty, so even when galaxies collide, stars and planets don't typically smash into each other like cars in a traffic jam. Instead, the gravitational dances of these celestial bodies will dramatically alter the structures of both galaxies. So, what does this mean for our Milky Way? Well, scientists predict that in about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will begin their cosmic tango. Initially, they'll pass through each other, creating ripples of stars and gas. Then, drawn together by gravity, they'll swing back, merging into a new elliptical galaxy over the course of another 2 billion years. And what about our solar system? While it's almost impossible to predict the exact outcomes, the chances of our solar system being directly impacted by another star are astronomically small. However, the view of the night sky will dramatically change, offering an incredible cosmic spectacle for anyone around to see it. To sum up, don't worry about packing your bags just yet. Our galaxy's date with Andromeda is still billions of years away. In about 4 billion years, we're due for a galactic merger, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the cosmic show. And finally, fact 1, our galaxy is enveloped in an enormous invisible halo. Now, this isn't a halo you might be picturing, like the glowing ring we see around angels in classic art. No, this halo is composed of hot gas and extends much farther than the visible star-filled disk we know as the Milky Way galaxy. This discovery was made by astronomers using data from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and the European Space Agency's XSMM Newton Space Observatory. The halo is estimated to contain more mass than all the stars in the Milky Way combined, and is a sizzling hot 1,000,000 degrees. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000,000 degrees. The existence of this halo presents quite a conundrum. It challenges our previous understanding of the galaxy's structure and composition. The halo's mass, its extreme temperature, and its sheer size are all factors that scientists are still grappling with. It's like finding yourself in a room you never knew existed in your own home, and then finding out it's bigger than the house itself. The discovery of the Milky Way's halo has also given scientists new insights into the evolution of our galaxy. The halo could be the reservoir of missing baryonic or ordinary matter that scientists have been hunting for years. Surrounded by a halo, our galaxy is even more mysterious than we thought. With every new discovery, our understanding of the universe shifts and grows, and the Milky Way continues to surprise us. So, let's keep exploring, because who knows what we'll uncover next. As we journey back from the edges of our galaxy, let's revisit the surprising facts we've explored. The Milky Way, our cosmic home, is a barred spiral galaxy. Its structure, like a celestial pinwheel, is composed of a central bar surrounded by winding spiral arms filled with stars, gas, and dust. Our galactic address? We reside in the Orion Cygnus arm, about 26,000 light-years away from the galactic center. Speaking of the center, it's home to Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Yet this cosmic behemoth is invisible to the naked eye, detected only through the movements of stars and gas around it. Let's not forget about the star-forming regions, where gas and dust condense to birth new stars. This ongoing process is a testament to the Milky Way's vitality and dynamism, even at its ripe old age of approximately 13.6 billion years. In terms of size, our galaxy is vast, stretching over 100,000 light-years in diameter. But size isn't everything. The Milky Way is also fast, rotating at a speed of about 550 kilometers per second. Our galaxy is not just what we see. The unseen dark matter, making up around 85% of the Milky Way's mass, plays a crucial role in its formation and rotation. A dark, invisible component, yet so integral to our understanding of the universe. As for the future, our galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, but fear not, this galactic merger is 4 billion years in the future. Finally, we touched on the Milky Way's invisible halo, a hot gas envelope extending far beyond the visible edge of our galaxy. This halo, like a celestial shroud, is key to understanding the galaxy's formation and evolution. From the spiraling arms where new stars are born to the invisible halo that surrounds us, the Milky Way galaxy is a place of incredible wonder and mystery. Each fact we've explored only deepens our connection to this cosmic home. Before we bring our cosmic journey to a close, we'd like to remind you that every like, share, and comment helps us bring more such enlightening content your way. If you learned something new from this video, or if you have a different perspective to share, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Your engagement makes this community a truly vibrant place for learning and sharing knowledge. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to ensure you don't miss out on any future explorations we undertake together. And remember, the beauty of knowledge is in its sharing. So feel free to share this video with your friends and family and invite them to join us on these incredible journeys through the cosmos. Thank you for being a part of our galactic exploration today. Until next time, keep looking up at the sky and wondering, because as vast as our galaxy is, it's just the beginning of what there is to explore in this amazing universe.